वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू फूड डायरीज। और आज आप देख रहे हैं हम बनाएंगे ब्राउनी। The ingredients are 3 eggs, cocoa powder, 1 cup oil, 1 whole 3/4 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup boiled water. Last but not the least, a spatula and a bowl. Now the following steps should be followed. Now we will add all 3 eggs in it. Sugar. Now add 1 cup 3/4 cup sugar. Cocoa powder as required. 1 cup oil. Baking powder and baking soda. Then add 1 cup full boiling hot water. And mix it until liquid. Then add 1 cup maida and another cup of flour again. Then mix it quickly until liquid. Then add oil in the pan and grease it properly. Then add your mixture in a greased pan. Now preheat your oven and put your oven in a microwave. Now put your brownie in an oven preheated and bake it for 10 minutes.